Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Easy Draw. Today, I will be sharing with you on how to create seamless repeat tile wallpaper for your iPad using Procreate. Doodles are one of the art elements that I really love, so I've decided to use that to design my wallpaper. As seen in the final result image, I wanted doodles to be repeated all over the page. So first, we're going to start off with a tile image. I'm using 2048 by 2048 pixels for this canvas. Brush wise, I'm using one of the default brushes as I have not started downloading any customized brushes. I'm using the dry ink brush under the inking category as I felt that it gives a sense of raw drawing and not so much of a digitalized look. While you are working on the tile image, remember to not let your drawing touch the edge of the canvas as we will need to tile this later, so keeping those drawing lines off the edge is very important. Once you are happy with the drawing, use the select tool to select the bottom part of the image and move it to the top. Remember to turn on the snapping options for more accurate transformations. Repeat the same steps for the top part of the image and move it to the bottom. Fill in the white spaces with more doodles. I will try to do another tutorial of how to create tile image with more details in the future. Once you are done filling up the white spaces, repeat the same transformation steps, but this time it will be in a different direction. Instead of top and bottom, it will be right and left. Always remember to turn on the snapping options. This is really important, else your tile image is not going to match up nicely. In my design, because there were still some white spaces in the tile image, I had to repeat the transformation steps in order to fill up these white spaces nicely. But in usual scenario, you might not need to repeat the steps. It really depends on your design. Once you're done with the tile image, take a screenshot of your iPad homepage so you could use it as a reference for the tiling process. I'm doing the tiling process manually, but there are some tools online which you could use, such as Pixelmator. I had to do a bit of trial and error before I was happy with the results of the placement of the doodles. For my wallpaper, I wanted to create a doodle icon for the areas where the app icons are so that they will stand out from the background. Else, these app icons are going to be lost in that sea of doodles. Use the screenshot of the homepage as a guide on where to place your doodle icon. I did a simple character for the doodle icon and duplicated them into each of the boxes. So now you will have something like a replacement icon if you don't have an app icon, which I think is perfect for my design. Moving on, I'll have to work on the wallpaper for the lock screen. On this screen, I have to cut out an area so the clock and date information could be more visible. First choice was definitely be my favorite color, pink. I tweaked the opacity so the background doodles could still be seen but not hiding the clock and date. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please share with me what is the first thing that you do after setting up your iPad. I look forward to reading the response by you guys. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video.